guys, so I just checked my mail and I had a Baublebar package from an order I placed recently. I think I placed it last Thursday. Well, the day doesn't matter because I'm not going to post it when I film it. But anyway, I was opening the package and I was like, why did I not do a haul video? I know I've been getting a couple of requests to do haul videos more, and this is like the perfect opportunity. The actual box is destroyed. It's like the first thing I do when I get packages. So the first thing I like to do is just first of all, cut my label off the box, and then I just break the box apart and I throw the cardboard into our recycling bin. So the actual box is gone. So this is all I have here. By the way, if you guys are interested in the makeup video, I'll have it linked on the screen for you, also in the information box in case you want to keep watching this and not be interrupted by another video at the moment. But I did get 2 bracelets and 4 necklaces. I have 1 necklace on back order, but I have 6 things to show you today. So I'm going to start with the necklaces. So this is the small piece of necklace, as I mentioned, and it's basically beaded. It's small and beaded. You can see those. And at first I thought it was going to be too long because I really don't. I've been gearing more towards necklaces that sit up here. This one is from Kendra Scott. This has nothing to do with Baublebar, but I've been leaning more towards necklaces that are shorter. I just find that they're more flattering on me. Unless I wear like a low cut blouse, I'll go for longer ones, but let me show you what this looks like on. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it stops here. I think this is the minimum length because it is adjustable. It has one of those chains where you can, you know, adjust it. It has little hangers here so you can actually clip it here if you want, but I have it on the shortest, as y'all know. But if you want to wear it lower, you definitely could. Let's see how long. So it comes even lower. You can wear it here if you want. So really nice length. I love how versatile it is. Guess I'll continue and show you the large piece of necklace. The difference in a large and small one is that the large one has larger beads. You can see those. So this is the large and this is the small on the left, or my right. This one, as you can see, it's a lot shorter, but it's actually the same length because it has one of those extender chains again, if you want to make it longer. So this is the large one on the shortest length. You can see that. Ignore this one, it's my Kendra Scott necklace, but this is the large piece of necklace, and I'll compare it with the shorter one. So this is the small one here. As you can see, bead size is different. And I have this on the longest length, so you can kind of see where that stops. And then this one is on the shortest length, so it falls here. It's not quite a choker or anything like that, but still nice lengths. So the other 2 necklaces I got are herringbone necklaces. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. And these are back in. I actually saw one of my favorite soap opera stars wearing one of these, and I was like, okay, those are back in. I see, because she's wearing one. I want one. So because I didn't know exactly what length to get, I got both. And I actually think I like both of them. So I'm going to keep both. So I got the Gia and Gianna herringbone necklace. I think the Gia is the biggest one, this one. And I think this is a Gianna, the smaller one. I'll do a comparison of these. These are also adjustable because they have the longer chain. Oh my gosh, I love them. I actually like them layered too. This is the Gia, and I think this one is on the longest length. It could go a little longer, not much, maybe a couple millimeters. So I could go maybe to here at the lowest point. But so you can see how it cuts above the cleavage. And then this is the Gianna. This is on the shortest length, so not choker length or anything, but I actually like them both together. So the last things I got were 2 bracelets. I got the curved chain bracelet. Looks like that. Let's see if I can get this on without any assistance. So I was able to get it on one of the shorter lengths. You can see that. Really nice. It'll be great for layering. You could even wear it as an anklet. I still have a lot of space left if I wanted to make it longer to wear it farther down the wrist. I'll go ahead and put the other one with it because you could definitely layer these 2 as well. Chains and links are in, as well as herringbone necklaces. So what I'm going to show you now is called Hera Link Bracelet. That's this one here. This is the Hera Link bracelet. As you can see, very unique, very pretty. And these actually look great together. I'll probably split them up with something in between. Or, actually, I like them both together like this too, without anything. But it has a different type of closure than the other traditional one. You can see that up close. Where is it? You can see that? Wow, that's a really good lens. Sorry guys. But it's like one of these closures. It opens the exact same way as the other one. This is the other one here. This here. That's the traditional closure like most necklaces have. But this one is different. It's just round rather than oval. Like this one. Hope you guys enjoyed my haul video. I'm going to start doing these more often because I really had fun doing them, especially my jewelry ones because I buy a lot of jewelry. I have a lot of jewelry already. I'm just trying to take this off. I should have done that in the beginning. I'm going to start doing these more often because I have a lot of jewelry. And I constantly get new pieces. Throw pieces, but not throw pieces away. I give them away most of the time. Baublebar is one of those brands that I have not had any issues with tarnishing. One of my pieces from Antica tarnished from sweat. Baublebar has not tarnished from sweat. Another good one is Wanderlust & Co. They have not tarnished. I have a few pieces from them that have tarnished, but a great one that has never ever tarnished on me is Adina's Jewels. If you guys want a review on them as well, I have a haul coming from them too. I'm probably gonna do it anyway. I shower with their necklaces and everything. Nothing. I sweat like crazy in the summertime. Nothing. I'm telling you. And it's not even real gold. That's the crazy thing. I've never spray painted any of that stuff. I've never spray painted any of my Baublebar stuff. And no tarnishing. So yeah, Baublebar is one of my favorite jewelry brands. Just to let you guys know. For all the items I have featured in the video, I'll link them below. Don't forget to rate the video, subscribe, turn on your post notification so you don't miss anything I post. Makeup tutorial for this look is either up or will be up soon. If it's up, I'll have it linked for you. I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.